Where are you going? Where are you going?
We go in the basement.
Are you ready?
Ready!
Are you ready?
Ready!
Are you ready?
Yeah!
Let's go!
Look at me, Dad. We are in the airplane.
Wow, we have a view. Wow. Yay. Ah, yes, finally! We made it to Brisbane! Oh, ay, yung shoes! Ang shoes! Ang shoes! Take off your shoes! Take off ang shoes. Agoy, yun lang.
Hello, solid sa video.
Actually guys, may mga sakit talaga kami.
Ang ganda.
Naulanan pa. But we made it. There! There! We made it to Brisbane.
Ang ganda.
Welcome to Brisbane. Agoy. So medyo late na guys and kailangan namin patulog to para may energy bukas. So, kita-kits na lang bukas. Hi guys! Welcome back to another vlog. So, andito tayo ngayon sa may Brisbane para continuation ng birthday ni Mami. So, nag-birthday si Mami last Sunday and today is Tuesday. So, meron siyang 1 week's birthday celebration dito sa may Brisbane. Yeah. What?
They're flying!
Ah, yes! Look at the view, guys. Nandito tayo ngayon sa labas ng airport yan. Nandito tayo sa may Brisbane para mag-explore, mag-adventure, and mag-celebrate ng ating mga small wins. Kasi, kailan nga tayo mag-1 year?
This week.
This week, mag-1 year na kami dito sa Australia. So, parang celebration na rin. What? Hey! Dramaton sa hapon. So, parang celebration na rin natin sa ating 1 year dito sa Australia. So, andito rin tayo sa may Brisbane, guys, para mag-explore. Tignan natin kung maganda dito at saka maganda ba ang idea ang lumipat dito. Char. So, guys, samahan nyo kami sa 1 week natin dito sa may Brisbane. Pupunta tayo sa mga magandang attraction dito. First day in Brisbane is raining. But we're expecting na mag-clear naman siya mamayang hapon or bukas. So, hand carry lang yung dala naming mga gamit. Very light travel lang. Papunta kami ngayon sa may train kasi papunta kami sa may Gold Coast. So, doon yung accommodation namin mamayang gabi. And doon na rin tayo mag-explore. So, we are going particularly sa may SeaWorld. How are you guys?
Good.
How are you, ma'am? May mga sakit kami, guys. Kaya mga iba yung boses. Iba yung boses at tinuubo. Kaming tatlo may mga sakit. So, bear with us. So, mag-research pa lang kami kung paano kami maka-ride ng train. So, bibili kami ng ticket here.
Where are you going? What station?
Helens Vale.
Yep, is that your final destination or are you getting on the tram?
We're going on to the, is it like a bus or something after? Yes, a bus to SeaWorld.
To where?
To SeaWorld.
It's a bus, is it?
Yes.
From Helensvale?
Yes.
Okay.
So, medyo may kamahalan yung train, no? Air train.
Ang air train, ang medyo expensive. Pero kung dito ka sa like bus,
Yeah.
50 cents.
So, ang train is 44. Tayong dalawa na. And then yung bus mamaya is 50 cents. We're
Yun
waiting.
siguro ang isa.
We are waiting tayo ng train. Are you excited to ride the train?
Yeah.
May dirty ang nose. Wow. We're gonna ride that one. Okay? Let's just wait.
Coming.
Okay? Are you ready na?
Yes.
Okay. Let's wait to open the door. Let's wait.
Take a picture of you, pa.
Let's open the door.
Watch out, watch your step.
Yeah, it's Papa's first train ride. Yes.
Whee! We ride the train. Yeah. Train is so fun.
Yes, it is.
Wow.
It's so fast.
Goodbye, house. See you next week.
Gusto mo lang yung voice.
This
I know
is a
what's-
Brisbane City and Gold Coast train, stopping all stations to Brisbane City, then
Mali ang
running
nasakyan ta,
express
guys.
from Bongo Road
Mali ang
to
nasakyan ta.
Beacon, stopping only at our Tandy.
Here.
Mind the gap.
There you go. Yay! So yeah guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Mayo Mall. Kuhanap muna kami ng makakain kasi kanina pa tong bata na to. Daddy, I want to eat. Sobrang ingay doon sa may train. I want to eat. I want to eat. Are you hungry? Huh? You're hungry? Wow. Yum? Wow! We made it to SeaWorld! Yee-hee! Yee-hee!
Look, Dad.
Yes, it's dolphin.
Just follow, it's just one footpath, go all the way towards the end. You can, then there's a ramp here, just go up there and you go to it. So while you're in the park, you can also enjoy it before you
yes,
go up there.
yeah.
When you up, that would be great.
Makarating namin dito guys, hindi na muna kami mag-check-in kahit dala namin yung mga bagahe. Mag-check na kami ng mga attraction dito. Octopus, that is not octopus, it's jellyfish. What's Dory? Yeah, it's a black Nemo. Oh.
Dory. Dory, hello.
Wow. They are all jellyfish species.
You stand there and Mommy will take a picture of you. Okay, ready?
Medyo mahirap kasi ang mag-tour na may mga dala. So, pasok muna namin yung gamit or mag-check-in muna. Then, balik tayo dito. Yeah, there's a dolphin there. Oh! Wow! It's nice.
Hello, dolphin.
Huh?
Can you talk me?
Hala! Agodoy! Agodoy!
Oh my gosh!
You want to try that?
No, thank you.
A nice polar bear towel. Do you want that one, sweetie? Yeah?
Just a bit shy.
Oh, she a bit shy. Sorry.
It's
What do you
alright.
say?
What do you
What do
say
you
to
say?
them? What do you say?
You're very welcome, sweetie.
Sabi ba, paldo? Oh! Oh!
Okay.
Mom, open please.
There you go. Color.
Hello. Wow.
Ah, yeah.
Wow.
Wow! I like it!
It's nice.
Yeah!
That's like my tattoo.
Yes! Thank you! Nandito na tayo.
Oh my playground.
Finally, nasa room na tayo.
Yes, Papa.
It's a little bit adventure talaga ang pagpunta dito. Especially kung nagpa-public transport lang tayo. Well, for us, parang okay na rin. Kaysa na mag-rent tayo ng car, babayaran mo yung rent, yung petrol, and then insurance for how many days. Eh, yung nabayaran natin is what? Hindi pa nakalampas ng 50. in total, di ba Dar? In public transport. Set up lang natin yung ating sarili and then lalabas tayo guys kasi kanina pa yung bata. Palagi na lang, wow! Wow! So, yeah, kahit umuulan guys, lubos-lubusin natin to. Labas tayo, try tayo ng mga rides, try tayo ng mga attraction dito. Yeah, it's so big. Yeah.
Daddy's going.
Yes. Wow. Oh, look at them. Listen. Amazing. Nanda?
I love it.
Nice.
We can stay. We can stay here all
It's like
day.
where they can sit down lang the whole day just watching them. Grabe oh.
Kau man itong imo ka na rin nagpula? Amo ni?
Oh my God, check another one, huh?
Grabe. What can you say about that there?
That'd be nice. I could stay here all day.
Kasi it's like
Daddy,
a different universe. Yeah. Yeah, epic fail. Wala. Maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow. You want to try? Ulin, you want to try?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Ngayon nakita niya na umandar maganda pala. Gusto niya na ulit i-try. Oh my gosh, Ulin. Okay, let's go. Second try. Ikaw na magsabay, baka makalintora ako.
Dito ta sa banana. Dito sa banana.
Hindi talaga ako fan sa mga umiikot, guys. Madali tayong mahilo. How about the horse? Sit down lang. Ah, Disney princess kagid ba? Oh. Hindi niya kilala to eh. Hindi niya
Who is
kilala.
this?
Yeah, see? Hindi niya kilala.
Why are we even here? Why are we
That one, the shadow soy, the blue one, the wet water.
Enjoy! Hindi ko sige talaga kaya yung mga umiikot na mga rides, guys. Pagka mahilo ako, baka yun na. Katapusan na ng lahat. You want to try it?
Right. Okay, let's try it.
How many games would you guys like?
We'll just try 2 games.
Nice and soft just above the lip.
Oh my gosh, can I really do this?
Oh, very close, very close.
Again.
Guys, hello.
Oh, wish me luck.
Again.
Oh, wish me luck. Oh.
Would you like to try?
What? Try, Pauline.
Hi, you guys.
Okay. Higher, go. Go.
Okay, you go,
1,
Chuck.
2, 3. Again. One more.
Oh, the thing
You want to try again?
No, I'm not.
I'll
Okay,
try.
nako.
I want to try.
Okay, go try mo naman. Love, ayusa, love, please. Maluwi ka. LOL! Lol.
We made it!
Okay, what do you want? What do you want?
We haven't what we need 2 out of 2 guys.
Oh, 2 out of 2.
In one
Lol.
game.
Okay.
We got one more game. Oh, Montgomery to win!
Amo to ha? Amo to ha? Bisa nakalampas ka na? Amo to ha? What do you want, Papaw? What do you want?
I want the
What?
What do you want?
baby shark.
The shark.
The shark!
Here you go, guys.
Thank you very much.
Ala! Thank you! Why? Hala! Hala! Paldo!
Okay, give it to isang tayo.
Sira diet natin, guys. Bawit na lang tayo kasi next week hindi tayo mag-grocery. Okay? Yung budget ka grocery na
Nakain na
nakain
natin.
today. Okay? What, Pauline?
Like this.
You want some? Okay. Try it. You guys enjoy. Pauline, are you happy, Pauline? Are you happy?
That's good. That's good. Very fun day and very full day.
Paldo. Paldo. Finish. Oh my God. Sobrang busog, sobrang pagod, pero sobrang saya. Masaya bang lahat? Ma'am, are you happy?
Yeah, I can't breathe.
Sobrang busog. Ikaw po rin. Grabe. Walang question nito si Pauline. Busog to at saka happy. Yeah, I think that's it for this video muna, guys. Tomorrow is going to be a full day in a theme park. I will try my best na ipakita sa inyo lahat-lahat and it's going to be an exciting video. Try din natin na lumabas dito sa may theme park, mag-explore dun sa city. That's it for this video. Like and subscribe. See you on the next vlog!